In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a workflow in Wrike in just 5 minutes. Whether you're new to the platform or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. So, let's dive right in and become more efficient with your project management. To start with, you'll need to navigate to the Wrike platform. If you haven't already, log in with your existing credentials. For those who are new, you'll need to sign up first. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to create your account. Having access to Wrike's robust platform means you're equipping yourself with a tool designed to enhance productivity and streamline tasks, so it's well worth it. Once you're logged in and ready to go, open up the specific folder, project, or space where you intend to make workflow adjustments. It's essential to ensure that you're viewing it in the Board View mode. Board View provides a visual layout that allows you to see each task's progress at a glance, making workflow changes clearer and more intuitive. Now, let's head to the toolbar, where you'll spot a Columns icon. Clicking on this icon is the next crucial step. This action will open up options related to the visual arrangement of your tasks and the underlying workflow process. It's like opening up a control panel for the structure of your project. With the columns options at your fingertips, hover over the current workflow name. You'll notice a drop-down menu that appears, revealing available workflows that you can switch to. Select the new workflow from this drop-down. This is where you can customize how tasks flow from one stage to the next, adapting your project management to better suit the way your team works. A well-chosen workflow can significantly increase efficiency and clarity, which is why this step is so essential. But what if the preset options don't quite meet your needs? Not a problem. At this point, you can also choose to create a new workflow or edit the existing one. This flexibility in Wrike reflects the diverse work styles of different teams and projects, allowing you to shape the workflow that best supports your objectives. Simply follow the prompts to either introduce a new sequence of stages or tweak the current setup to better align with your workflow strategy. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully changed your workflow in Wrike. Remember, the right workflow is about more than just moving tasks. It's about creating an environment where your team can thrive and your projects can succeed. Thanks for following along, and make sure to explore more of Wrike's features to further enhance your project management capabilities.